What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching another video. Last video I made about my Miata, it was the 5 best mods you could do to a Mazda Miata. And if you watched till the end, I did mention that I was going to be filming all the mods that are done to my car, from interior, exterior, the little performance things that are done to it. And if you notice that I'm wearing the same clothes, it's because I'm literally making this video like 20 minutes after I finished the last one that you guys saw that I posted before. So that's why. So please don't judge me because I am wearing the same thing because, yeah. So we're going to be going over every mod that's done to this car from, like I said, interior, exterior, the little performance things that are done to it. I'm going to be mentioning all that and including prices. If you guys need any links to any of the stuff, let me know in the comments. Let's get right into it. Alright guys, we're going to start on the side of the car. So first off, for the wheels, they are Koenig Decagram. Again, they are 15x8 with a plus 25 offset all around. Those were $580. My tires are Federal 595 RS RR 225 45 15. They were for $100. And for suspension, I will put a picture up right here right now on the screen. They are Reaction USA coilovers. They were $840. Next are my carbon fiber mirrors. Yes, they were real carbon fiber. They came from the UK from a company called MX5 Mods. It was $160 shipped. They are gorgeous. These are one of my favorite mods on this car so far. I love the way it contrasts the color of the car, especially when I get this car painted over the winter. I feel like it's going to make everything pop so much more. So the mirrors were $160. All right, guys, so we're at the front of the car. I have upgraded LED headlights, if I'm not mistaken. I think they're from a Jeep Wrangler, but they were $90. Amazing upgrade. I totally recommend you do that. And we also have the Depot smoked marker kit. So that includes the front markers, that includes the front side markers, that includes the rear side markers. I'll include a picture of the side markers and the rear markers right now so I don't have to walk around the entire car and just show them. So they're up on the screen right now, both the front and the rear sides, and that was $120. So the only performance mod, if you even want to consider a performance mod at the moment that I have on this car, is my Circuit Works catback exhaust. That was $180, but for the price, it sounds amazing. It definitely, you can feel the car has better throttle response and whatnot. So I totally recommend it if you want something that's not brutally loud, but has a really nice tone to it. It will really make the 4-banger sound okay. I mean, I'm not going to say that the car sounds amazing, but it definitely sounds better than other Miatas that I've heard. So one of my last videos that you guys saw about my Miata, you saw that I had the blue Recaro seats. They are out of the car now. They are actually pending sale at the moment, which is why they are not in the car. I decided that I'm going to go another route with seats, but I will include it in the price. Those were $500 that I paid for them, only including them because at the time of this video, I still have them in my possession. So if they don't sell, I might throw them back in. But as of now, $500. I'll put a picture on the screen right here of what they look like. There you go. And anyways, yeah, and those seats included a driver's side planted seat bracket that was $150 that I will also include in the price of the interior mods. NB steering wheel. This has a Mazda Protege airbag though. I had a Nardi one that actually I sold. I did like a little flip on it because I got it so cheap and just bought one of these that were like $20 that I found on eBay. But the entire setup after everything said and done was $80 for the wheel and the airbag. Also, I have this beautiful, I love this, the blue stitched Miata shift boot and e-brake boot cover right there. Those were $45. I have a shifter extension. Let me brighten this up a little bit for you. That was $20. The shift knob was also $20, and this has a really nice weight to it. I really like it a lot. I ended up also having to buy a new cluster hood on the car, this right here, because these typically crack and they break, the brackets in the back break. I bought this brand new online. That was $80. I bought brand new head unit. This is from AutoZone. This was cheap. This was like $60 if I'm not mistaken. And the new speakers in the car that I also installed, these were $40. So that is it for the interior. Nothing really crazy going on here. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it. There's not a crazy amount of mods done to the Miata, but when you add everything up, you realize like, wow, I'm spending like a lot of money on not a lot, but definitely it was worth it because the car is so much more fun. I enjoy it a lot more. I have the totals here on my phone. So right now, the total of all the mods that I mentioned in the video came out to $3,425. I know I missed a few things, so I'm gonna do like I did in my Mini Cooper video where I put like a miscellaneous total of $300 because there are a few things I know that I've bought and done that they just don't come to my mind at the moment. And I know it's not that important because I didn't mention them. I mentioned all the major mods that are obvious and right there for you. So I'm gonna have a full miscellaneous total of $3,725. And obviously that doesn't include the price of the car. That doesn't include the transportation that I needed it to get from South Jersey to North Jersey, towing it, even though I had a friend do it for me. Shout out to him because he gave me a really good deal and did it in a day's notice of time. They picked it up for me, so that was awesome. But there's a lot of little things that come in when it comes to modifying cars. So I'm right around $4,000 in mods in this car already, and adding it up to the total of the car with everything else, I'm like, wow, I can't believe I've spent that much already just on this car. And obviously that's not it. I'm gonna be doing a turbo build on this car like I've mentioned in one of my previous videos from months ago. This car is going to be turboed and it's going to require a lot of other stuff, so I expect that total to definitely be double or triple by the time this car is done. So it's going to be a lot of money, but it's definitely going to be worth it. But if you guys need any links to anything that I mentioned in the video today, anything that you're interested in, let me know. I will do my best to be able to answer your comment and provide a link for you where I bought my stuff. But anyways, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. It lets YouTube know that I'm doing a good job, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one.